So can you see? No, not there anymore. Without a scanner, I just kind of just try to doing the setting the balance test. Yeah, remove the 1, 2, 3, 4 coils one by one, and when I come to the number 4, and I notice a kind of spark jump when I lifting up the coils. I roughly see the spark or arcing around the edge there. So now this culprit here, I'm not sure how well you can see. Yep, there. Right there. Sparks tracking out there, and let's see. Inside there. Yeah, I'm not sure how we can see the. Yeah, there. Yeah, just a 40 ignition coil. I got a new ignition coil here. So yeah, and I'm going to replace all the spark plugs. So yeah, I don't need to do the rest. So no, I don't need to show you how to do the job. So once I finish then yeah, I'll see what happens. Right, now I got a report of the scanning the vehicle. So yeah, see the number 4 misfire detected, and some other history codes. So yeah, nothing more, not going to worry about this. Right. Yeah, car runs much better. Check engine lights on. That's fine. Quick race. Yeah. Check engine lights off now. Yeah, I go to the test drive, and then should be fine.